Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make glucose syrup. Very easy and with few ingredients. If it's what you like to see and learn, please keep watching and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. So let's get straight into the video of the day. So the ingredients you need for this recipe is just 1 cup of sugar, half cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then you're going to allow it to cook until it thickens. So the first thing is to allow the sugar dissolve on a low heat, and then you increase it to medium heat and allow it boil down until it thickens. And glucose syrup is used for so many things, and in Nigeria it is commonly used for making fondants, and it is also used as a sweetener or thickener to prevent crystallization in products like candies, baked goods, and beverages. You can also use it in baking. It is very versatile. So another thing to note is this is a substitute, so after making it, it might not come out as clear and bright as the ones we buy in stores, but this is a substitute, but it works exactly the same way. It's just the change in color. If you're still watching and you're not yet subscribed to this channel, now is the right time to hit the subscribe button and also give this video a big thumbs up, and then leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you'll be trying this recipe. You can also go through my playlist and just watch through and see the amazing recipes that I have up there. And also share my videos and also share my channel to your baker friends, because I have amazing videos, I have amazing tutorials and recipes that I know every baker is going to love. Thank you. So this is what your glucose should look like after cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes. So you just turn off your heat and get it down, and then pour it into your bowl and let it cool down. When it cools, it's going to get thicker like the regular glucose you get from the stores. I have this video where I used only glucose to make bubble sugar. If you want to know what bubble sugar is, if you want to learn how to make it, please click the icon above right now and it will take you to the video and learn how to make bubble sugar. You can use bubble sugar to decorate your cakes, you can use it to decorate your desserts, you can use it to garnish your food. It is really nice. So just click the link above, or you can check in my description box for a link to the video. And that video is my most viewed video on my channel. Just tell you that the video is really good and educative. So thank you for watching, and I hope you've subscribed to this channel already. Also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Happy baking!